The MacBook Air is Apple's most popular Mac, next to the MacBook Pro. But it's also Apple's most affordable laptop, and now with Apple's silicon chips, it's just as powerful and capable as ever. So if we remove the Pro users and just focus on the general public, this is the best MacBook, and it just got even bigger. Today we take a first look at the M2 MacBook Air 15-inch model in this beautiful starlight color. Why didn't anyone tell me that the starlight MacBooks are basically a golden color MacBook? Seeing the starlight color in person for the first time confirms to me that this is the best MacBook color in my opinion. I mean, it's nice, sophisticated, and it's just the right touch of swag. Now, I'm a proud owner of the 13-inch MacBook Air, and it's been my go-to out and about, move around the house type of laptop. It's even earned a spot in my travel bag because it's that good. But now it's even bigger. So you get the same super slim chassis with an even bigger display and even more speakers, rounding out one of the best and most popular options in Apple's lineup. Let's talk a little bit more about those speakers. As a matter of fact, let's just listen to them first.
They loud in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you won't find no one realer. I go from be cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tint on it.
When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took an L, should've put it in the all free.
Now, Apple packed a 6-speaker system within this 15-inch chassis versus the 4 that came with the 13-inch. Both systems support Dolby Atmos and spatial audio, but I'm all about more speakers when it comes to audio on a laptop because now we get force-canceling woofers. Apple is always good for audio on their products traditionally. Apple also reduced the price of the M1 MacBook Air and the 13-inch M2 MacBook Air in light of this 15 inches release, which if you prefer a 13-inch model, you can now get it for cheaper. But speaking of price, this base model configuration comes in at just $1299, which is extremely competitive for Apple. It's quite obvious that Apple is coming for the computing market and going hard at the competition. What a day to see Apple being more competitive in the area of pricing. And it's all thanks to the Apple Silicon and Tim Apple, of course. Let's be real, not much else is different from the 13-inch M2 MacBook Air, so I won't waste your time. But I will be doing a comparison video in between the two, helping potential buyers pick the right size for them. If that interests you, subscribe, turn on the bell, and wait for that one. So, why would Apple make a 15-inch MacBook Air that's almost identical to the 13-inch in every way except sizing, speaker count, and price? It's simple. Apple is giving you options, and a bunch of them. Whether you're a pro user, student, coder, Hollywood film producer, or just your everyday person, Apple has a solution for you. So, coming from someone who's already experienced this M2 chip inside of a slim body, which was the 13-inch, I can tell you firsthand that this will easily become your favorite MacBook and maybe even Apple's best-selling one yet.